Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and share it with your friends so we can keep creating more content. Now, let's dive into today's topic, Bitcoin and its incredible rise. Bitcoin is a digital currency that emerged in 2009, created by an anonymous figure known as Satoshi Nakamoto. It was introduced with the promise of decentralizing financial transactions, offering a peer-to-peer system without the need for intermediaries like banks. In its early days, Bitcoin was practically worthless. However, over the years, it started gaining value, and some people who invested just a few dollars in Bitcoin became millionaires. A famous example is Laszlo Hanyecz, who bought 2 pizzas for 10,000 Bitcoins in 2010. Those coins would now be worth hundreds of millions of dollars. Bitcoin's journey hasn't been smooth. After reaching an all-time high of nearly $69,000 in late 2021, the market saw a significant downturn. A combination of regulatory crackdowns, market corrections, and global economic instability caused Bitcoin to plunge, shaking investor confidence. Many people began to doubt whether Bitcoin was still a worthwhile investment. However, experts and studies suggest that Bitcoin's story is far from over. Despite its recent lows, Bitcoin has shown impressive resilience. The market rebounded, and Bitcoin is once again on the rise. Analysts argue that Bitcoin still holds vast potential, especially for long-term investors. Even at current prices, buying Bitcoin could prove to be a smart move. The reason lies in Bitcoin's limited supply. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins mined, and this scarcity, combined with growing global interest, is one of the factors driving speculation about its future value. Some studies and reports from financial analysts predict that Bitcoin could reach astonishing values over the next decade. There are projections that 1 Bitcoin could be worth as much as $1 million. Influential investors like Cathie Wood from ARK Invest have expressed similar optimism. They believe that as more institutions adopt Bitcoin and governments create clearer regulations for cryptocurrencies, the demand for Bitcoin will only increase, pushing its value to unprecedented levels. This isn't just speculative talk. We've seen major financial players, including large banks and corporations, starting to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Companies like MicroStrategy have adopted Bitcoin as part of their financial strategy, holding large amounts in reserve. These movements signal growing trust and confidence in Bitcoin's long-term potential. But why would Bitcoin reach such astronomical values? The answer lies in its unique properties. Bitcoin is often referred to as digital gold because it offers a store of value, especially during economic uncertainty. Traditional currencies are subject to inflation, but Bitcoin, with its capped supply, is deflationary by nature. As more people view Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation and a way to store wealth, the demand could continue to grow. It's also important to remember that Bitcoin isn't just about making quick profits. Long-term investors see Bitcoin as a fundamental shift in how we think about money and value. The volatility we witness today is part of a maturing process, just like any revolutionary technology goes through stages of growth and stabilization. Now, if you're wondering whether it's still worth buying Bitcoin, the answer is, it depends on your goals. Experts generally recommend thinking long-term. The ups and downs are inevitable, but Bitcoin has shown time and again that it can recover from crashes stronger than before. A popular saying among Bitcoin investors is, time in the market beats timing the market. In other words, holding Bitcoin through the highs and lows tends to yield better results than trying to predict its every move. If you've enjoyed this content so far, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It only takes a second and really helps us keep producing more valuable content for you. So, where does Bitcoin go from here? No one knows for sure, but one thing is clear, Bitcoin is here to stay. Whether it becomes a mainstream currency, a store of value like gold, or something entirely new, Bitcoin has changed the financial world forever. Many believe that as Bitcoin evolves, it could disrupt not just the financial sector but entire economies, paving the way for a more decentralized future. In conclusion, Bitcoin's journey has been full of twists and turns, but those who have stayed the course have often been rewarded. While investing in Bitcoin requires caution, patience, and proper research, the potential rewards for long-term holders could be immense. Who knows, perhaps in the near future, 1 Bitcoin might truly be worth $1 million. And if that happens, you wouldn't want to miss out on the opportunity today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to share it with your friends and leave a comment with your thoughts. Do you think Bitcoin will reach $1 million? What's your take on its future? We'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.